Hello, traders. Today, we're quickly going to look at market structure. Thereafter, we'll move on to atomic market structure. Requirement for a value market structure. So it is HFS Academy. I want to use this moment to welcome you. So without further ado, let's dive into it. What is market structure? Market structure is the pattern of highs and lows that tells you the current trend and direction of the market. So the pattern of high and low tells you the current trend and direction of the market. So let's look at it. Market structure will normally start like this, okay, come down, go up, down again, up, down again, up, down, up. As you can see, the market is what? Trending up, right? Then we don't just leave it at this. We start having, okay, we call this change of character. This becomes the breakout structure. Let's adjust this a little bit. So each time market goes above the initial swing, right? We take this and put it there. You call it breakout structure, right? After market broke this structure, we have another high here before this swing low. And then market broke above this swing high. So we call it breakout structure. And when that happens, we go to the swing low, right? From which the market reverses, okay, and broke above the initial high. So we call that area, like here, change of character. Now market is like this. Because it has broken this, we come here and call this change of character. This one, this change of character is for this one, breakout structure. This one is for this breakout structure. Then, once market reverses, go above this breakout structure. We wait. Once this high is taken, this swing high, before the retracement, we mark it as what? Breakout structure. And the swing low, where it reverses, which eventually led to this breakout structure here, we mark that area as change of character, right? So this is how we mark out market structure. Now, market is here. This has been taken, right? Once this breakout structure is taken, the point from which the market reversed towards taking that breakout structure, we call it change of character, like this. Right? Character has changed in this area. So market went all the way this area and came down, right? Immediately market came down. If the condition we're expecting the market should meet are met, we take this, put it here. We call it what? Breakout structure. And once we have our breakout structure, we automatically have our change of character. By change of character, we mean if the market at any point comes below this change of character, we will say market has changed direction. So let's look at market structure, bearish market structure this time, right? We'll just look at bullish. So we're considering bearish market structure now. Bearish market structure is like this. It's like this. So this is a bearish market structure. Okay. The first thing we have in a bearish market structure is we have that as our change of character. Remember, this time we are considering a bearish market structure, not a bullish. In a bearish market structure, the change of character is always above on the swing high, while the break of structure is on the swing low. Conversely, in a bullish market structure, the change of character is on the swing low, while the break of structure is on the swing high. So once this initial swing low is taken by this leg, then we have break of structure. Okay. Once this has been taken, we have break of structure. This automatically will be our what? Change of character. The market at any point reverses and what? Take this high. We say market has changed character. However, market did not do that. It went ahead breaking structure. Here, another structure was broken. So once that structure was broken, where did the market reverse? The swing high that are pushed down from where the market reversed from, we call it what? Our change of character. Put it here. Character has changed. Okay. Then market came again. It retraced. After taking this, it retraced. Right? Thereafter came and took the initial low. Once the initial low is taken, so we could call it break of structure. So it continues that way. So we have succeeded in looking at what? Bullish market structure, right? Okay, in looking at the bullish market structure and then the bearish market structure. So this is bullish. Why this is bearish? Bullish, bearish. Thank you.